Hello friends, today we will examine the mobile application features and sharing options in the last video of our Power BI series. First, we download the mobile application to our phone. We find and install the Power BI application from the App Store or Google Play. When we open the application, we log in with our work or school account. After logging in, we see all our workspaces and reports. As you can see, the report automatically adapted to the mobile screen. In the mobile application, we can zoom the graphics with our finger. We can click on this chart and make it full screen. To use the filters, we tap the filter icon on the top right. Now let's move on to sharing features. Click on the Share button to share our report. We have a few options here. To share via email, we type the recipient's email address. You can set permissions as View or Edit. When we say Share, an automatic email will be sent to the recipient. For a more professional sharing, we will use the Publish as an app option. First, I create an application workspace, call it New Application Workspace, and give it a name, Sales Reports. We add our report to the workspace. From the top menu, I say Create Application. I set the theme color and logo. I select the access permissions as All Organization. When we say Publish, our application is ready. And so we have come to the end of our Power BI series, friends. In this series, we covered many topics from data modeling to DAX formulas, from visualizations to security settings. If you want to continue your Power Platform journey, I recommend you to check out our Power Apps video series on our channel. We examine developing custom applications with Power Apps and Power BI integrations in detail. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You can leave all your questions in the comments section. See you, bye.